Why do we sneeze? One breezy afternoon, Flaming Fox and his friends, Bunny and Hedgehog, were playing in a meadow filled with blooming flowers. Suddenly, Bunny let out a loud sneeze. "Achoo! Bless you," Flaming said with a smile. But Bunny looked puzzled. "Why do we sneeze, Flaming?" Flaming Fox's eyes lit up with excitement. "Great question. Let me explain why we sneeze." The friends gathered around as Flaming began his explanation. Sneezing is our body's way of getting rid of irritants like dust, pollen, or germs. When something irritates the inside of your nose, your body wants to get rid of it as quickly as possible. Flaming picked up a handful of grass and gently blew it into the air, showing how tiny particles can float around. These tiny particles can get into our noses, and when they do, our body sends a message to our brain saying, "We need to sneeze." He pretended to sneeze, making Bunny and Hedgehog giggle. When you sneeze, your body pushes air out of your lungs really fast, faster than a car on a highway. This helps blow out whatever is bothering your nose. Hedgehog looked curious. "So sneezing is like a natural cleaning system for our noses?" "Exactly," Flaming said with a nod. "It's a way for our body to protect itself from things that might make us sick or uncomfortable." Bunny rubbed her nose. "But why do we sometimes sneeze more than once?" Flaming explained. "Sometimes, one sneeze isn't enough to clear out all the irritants. If your body still feels something in your nose, it might trigger another sneeze to make sure everything is gone." The friends laughed as they took turns pretending to sneeze. Flaming continued, "Sneezing is also a way to keep our lungs, throat, and other parts of our respiratory system safe. It's like an alarm system that tells us when something isn't right." As the day went on, the friends noticed more sneezes from the blooming flowers, but now they understood why. They felt smarter knowing that their sneezes were just their bodies protecting them. Bunny smiled and said, "Thanks for explaining, Flaming. Now I know that sneezing is actually a good thing." Flaming Fox grinned. "Anytime, friends. Science is all around us, and there's always something new to learn." With their curiosity satisfied, the friends continued to play in the meadow, feeling a little more in tune with how their bodies worked, thanks to Flaming Fox and his love for sharing knowledge.
Thank you for reading the story with me. Please subscribe Olivia's Storybook Corner for more fantastic stories. Bye bye.